Back here in Nigeria, total and partial restrictions are still in place across states to curb the spread of COVID-19, with enforcement mechanisms tightened. A truck driver who hid more than 22 persons in his vehicle has been intercepted by the committee monitoring the level of compliance in Delta State. He was conveying goods to Lagos, but added the persons in his truck. Ikenna Amechi was on a tour with the team.
To prevent the rapidly spreading COVID-19 pandemic from reaching Delta, the state government has taken some drastic measures. It announced a total lockdown of the state, allowing only those exempted. Security operatives have been on hand to enforce all the order, but not without some challenges. The Warri incident comes to mind, but it is now investigated. But as the Delta State government team, together with the Commissioner of Police, inspects the level of compliance around Asaba and environs, they intercepted this truck, which is supposed to be conveying goods. More than 22 people with children are hiding inside this vehicle meant to carry goods as an attempt to escape the many roadblocks from Onitsha. It's another case of Nigerians defying the orders of the state and federal government of a lockdown by traveling from one state to another, and this time around in a vehicle not meant to carry human beings. The driver claims he was only assisting them, especially market women that were stranded.
I'm going to Lagos to carry all this next to this, and I want to carry.
But the human being you are carrying, are they part of goods?
Well, now that one, you know, now they are well our way.
Which our way?
Nigerian way.
Their temperature were taken and were let to go by the police. This school here was converted to a makeshift market by the local government authority here, and traders practice social distancing.
When people come here, we tell them not to touch the fish, they will just point it.
At the end of the inspection of the level of compliance, the people were encouraged to stay at home so as to curtail the spread of the virus.
Nobody's trying to punish anybody, nobody's trying to encroach on anybody's rights, but it's just that we need to take these preventive steps to prevent the spread or an outbreak of the disease here in Delta State. So we appeal to residents and Deltans to please take it very seriously.
And I'm glad to say that what we have seen so far is very encouraging. However, our men, we need to continue to talk to them.
It's important for us to understand that the essence of this whole thing is to stop the coronavirus from not coming into our state.
As of today, there are 13 states and the FCT with more than 200 cases, which is a sharp contrast to the single case a month ago, as everyone is urged to do all they can to slow transmission in the country. Ikenna Amechi, TVC News, Asaba.